Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming what the network must learn and why each input matters. Sketch inputs as labeled nodes, group similar features together. Once done, decide the target shape and output representation so your architecture matches the problem. Make sure to pick a simple set of layer symbols now, input, hidden, output, and annotate sizes. This gets you out of planning and into a concrete visual that you can iterate on immediately. Now connect inputs to hidden layers thoughtfully and explain why each choice matters. For images, stack conv and pooling, then flatten to dense. For tabular, use dense blocks with decreasing widths. Once done, annotate neuron counts, filter sizes, and activation functions so the diagram reflects capacity and compute. Make sure to indicate regularization like dropout or batch norm and any skip connections. These visual cues complete the diagram by clearly showing the output layer, its shape, and loss choice so training aligns with goals. Then add training metadata, optimizer, learning rate, batch size, epochs, and mark where you'll measure validation metrics. Once done, review for mismatched shapes or missing activations and annotate expected shapes at each transition. If things go wrong, check for overfitting, reduce width, add dropout, or collect more data. This quick fix often restores generalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.